Hello, I'm back again. I gotta try that element thing again. I know the last time I did something, it took like I had to get something done in 12 minutes and I kept getting it done in like 13 and a half. So I don't remember. I think that was countries of the world, but I gotta do this. Like I said, this is tough because it's all right, good. Astatine. All right. I can never spell that. Astatine. I know it's 8 letters and it's 2 vowels, 2 consonants, 2 vowels, 2 consonants when you split it up and split it in half, but I can never get it right. See if I can get it on the first try this time. All right, I'm going to hit refresh and try to get this done. Like I said, this was a challenge. Whenever they give me these challenges, I got to try them. But since the challenges they have are too easy, I have to do it. Tricky spelling with the beryllium. But I have to try it. But I have to make it my way because they're too easy. Alright, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon, sodium, magnesium, aluminum, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur. That's my problem last time. I always think 1 or 2 ahead. Yeah, good job, because you messed up on the easy part. I messed up on platinum of all, on the easy transition metal section. All right, noble gases. This would be argon. All right, potassium, calcium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, iron, cobalt, nickel, copper, zinc, gallium, germanium, arsenic. I almost put arsenic at 18 last time because AR. Selenium. Yeah, I still don't know why for 54. Why they didn't just make it X? Like, why would they make it XE when there's no other element with an X in it? It just doesn't make any sense. Get this stupid stuff off of here. Alright. I hate it always blocks out the noble gas thing on the bottom. Alright, where are we at? 37? That's strontium. No, it's rubidium. Strontium. It's 38. Ytterbium? No. Yttrium. Zirconium. Sometimes I think yttrium's 40, but then I always remember it's zinc 30, zirconium 40. I don't know why they set it up like that. Zinc. They could have made zinc ZC. They could have made that just a Z. I don't know why they didn't make it just a Z. Alright, what am I doing? Yapping for no reason. Molybdenum, niobium. Oops. First atomic element, radioactive, that is. 44 is ruthenium, rhodium, silver. By the way, start buying silver, it's going to go way up. Cadmium, Jesus. Thallium's 81. Tholium? No. Tellurium. Okay. Iodine. Xenon. God, I'm starting to remember that. That one would always get me stuck. Europium is 63, so this one has to be gadolinium 64. Samarium. Europium, gadolinium, terbium. I almost messed this up last time, so I gotta be careful. Holmium is 67. Okay. Holmium. Erbium. And this one gave me a while too. 69 was what? Thallium, tholium. Tholium. The only reason why I remember lucium is because it's on the end. It's the only reason why. 72 has to be Lawrencium. 87. No, francium. Lawrencium. It's 72. Hafnium. Half. Rhenium. Osmium. I think that's why I messed up before, because rhenium was messing around with me. Iridium. Platinum. I almost did it again. Looking ahead. Mercury. Thallium. Right, or is it lead? No, lead's 82. I think it's bismuth then polonium. Okay. Yes, first time. It's because I looked at it right before I started it. It's the only reason why I remembered it. Astatine. Yeah, now watch, I'll mess radium and radon up. I think it goes radon, then radium. Alright, this is Lawrencium, francium. Then radium. Okay, now, right, that's the hard part. Alright, this is the easy part. Actinium, borium, thorium. I think thorium is here and borium is up there. Watch, I'll mess this up probably. Borium and thorium. I'm almost positive this is thorium. Thank God, okay. Protactinium, or as I call it, the Pennsylvania element, PA. Uranium, Neptunium. Uranium, Neptunium, Pluto. Oops. When I get stuck, I think of the planets. And my 6th grade teacher, Miss Gregg, who challenged me. If it wasn't for Mrs. Gregg, I would have never even have. I don't know. Maybe I'd have discovered them later on when I took chemistry, but I would never have been able to do what I'm doing right now. Plutonium. She challenged me. She said, "Oh, you can't memorize the periodic table elements." I was like, "Excuse me." So when I was 11 years old, I memorized all the atomic weights, the atomic symbols, the whole chart. Like you could just say 83 and I'd be like bismuth 76, osmium, tungsten 74, 9 fluorine, like boom, just or you could say what's TL and I'd be thallium, TE, tellurium, CL, chlorine, AR, argon, or maybe I'd say arsenic. All right, what's 95? All right, plutonium. All right. That's curium. Or is it americum? All right, einsteinium. Mendelevium, berkelium, californium. All right. I I don't have any pneumatic devices for this. Mnemonic, Jesus, pneumatic. 95. It's either Americanium, Americium, or Curium. I think it's Curium. Alright, so now it's just... That doesn't matter now. Would I get stuck on 95? Should have did it in alphabetical order. Berkelium, Californium, Einsteinium, Ferrovium. Let's see, Fermium. I don't care. F and F. That should be FV, by the way. 101. No, I'm just saying they should have made it FV. It would have been easier to remember. It's either Nobelium or it's probably Mendelevium. Yep. 103 is what? Lawrencium. Rutherfordium. I remember when I memorized these back when I was a kid. All these ones up here were like if you got to 111, it was una, and then 112 was una. I forget, maybe dos or una die or something, and then the third one was una tre, una octa. They didn't have names for them. All right, rubidium, dubnium, Seaborgium, Genium, Thorovium, Moscovium, Copernicium, Niobium, what the hell is that? Moscovium, Livermorium, really? Livermorium, you kidding me? What a joke. Alright, I'll give this. Oh, 110 is Darmstadtium. Didn't realize I went past it. Alright. I could forgive myself for messing up the platinum gold. I was thinking ahead. But this one, I cannot be. What did I mess up at? America. 95. Alright, I'm going to have to do a take 3, I guess. Almost forgot. Thanks for watching.